Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these crochet puff yo-yo flowers, and I made them with cotton yarn. You can make them with pretty much any type of yarn, and I used an H hook, and they measure just a couple of inches across, and the pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you're going to chain 5, slip knot onto your hook. And then you're going to slip stitch in that beginning chain to create a ring, and then chain 5, and then double treble crochet, yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 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 and then you're going to repeat that for a total of 19, and with that chain 5 it will be 20. And just repeat that until you are at the beginning, and you may need to push aside once you have so many on there, up to about 15. You might have to push them aside so you can make room for all of them. Slip stitch on top of that chain 5, chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch, and then work 2 double crochet together in the next. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leave 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through all 3 loops, 2 double crochet together in the next, and you repeat that around until you get to the beginning. So repeat 2 double crochet in each 2 stitches around, and then you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3, and then slip stitch in each stitch around. So yarn over, pull through, or repeat, and each stitch is a slip stitch, and you're going to do that for 2 rounds, and then you can fasten off and weave in your ends, and then your flower is complete. This is more of a flattened type of puff stitch flower that's great to add on to any type of project like hats, and it's going to look like this, a little puffy and flat. You just do it slip stitch for 1 more round. Okay, so now you're just going to take your yarn needle and weave in all your ends in the back, and then your flower is complete. The pattern for this is listed down below, and you can just, once you secure your ends, you can cut them off, and then your flower is done. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.